This is the video where things get absolutely insane, where the game is over and where the game is changed forever. Okay, I know that I'm using those influencer keywords scattered all across social media, but seriously, this video is about running a 122 billion parameter model locally on a single GPU, something that was impossible just months ago. We are going to install this Qwen 3.5 122 billion A10 billion model, which packs 122 billion total parameters but only activates 10 billion per token through its mixture of expert architecture. We already have covered the dense 27 billion model and the smaller mixture of expert model in 35 billion size in this video, as you can see here. In this video, we are going to install this mega model with llama.cpp, and if you don't know how to install it, what exactly that is, just go to my channel and search with llama.cpp and you should be able to find this very easy to understand tutorial. Coming back to this model, you know what, let's get the installation underway and then we will go from there. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. Before you take out your axes and start chasing me, if you're looking to rent a GPU like me on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description, and I will give you a 50% discount coupon, so it will be just cents to get it up and running. Now I already have llama.cpp installed, so I'm going to go and install this Hugging Face Hub library because I need to download the model. Now it is still not possible to run this mega model on one GPU, to be honest, but thankfully, courtesy and sloth, we have some quantized version where I'm going to go here, and as per my own GPU, I'm just going to go with Q4KM. This is a nice sweet balance between the performance and accuracy. There will be some degradation, but not so much in Q4KM. Anything lower than that, I won't even touch it for production or even pre-prod, but I think Q4KM gives us a decent performance, as we have seen a lot of time. So this is what I'm going to download, and for that I'm just going to first set I'll just clear my screen and then run this command, which is going to download this model to my local directory, and it is just going to get the Q4KM quant, and it is going to download all these files. While it downloads it, let's talk a bit more about this model because the model is actually quite interesting. We already have gone through the architecture. This again uses gated delta network combined with sparse expert routing across 256 specialists. It supports a 262K context window, which is extensible to 1 million tokens and should theoretically deliver flagship performance while running faster than our 27 billion dense model from earlier, which, as I said, we have covered here. Now, one question which you guys also have asked in the comments is, when to use this dense model and when to use this mixture of experts. So look, the progression today has been wild, I know. We started with 27 billion dense on 48 GB VRAM, moved to 35 billion mixture of expert with 3 billion active, and now we are jumping to this 122 billion mixture of expert with 10 billion active on 80 GB, which shows how expert routing lets us scale knowledge without proportionally scaling computation cost. You need to use dense models when you need consistent performance and have limited VRAM. You should be using mixture of expert like this when you want maximum capability, have the VRAM headroom, and need specialized expert knowledge for complex reasoning and coding tasks. But you know what, even that line is getting blurred, and that is the lay of the land, I'm not going to lie. All of these MOEs and dense, I think it's just getting so much blurred because there are a lot of variations there, it's hard to mention. So I will just say try out in your environment for your use case and then go from there. You already now have seen how to get these things installed locally, and all you need to do is to follow that, try it out for your use case, and then let me know how you go. Okay, so it is almost there. Yep, download is complete. We are all set to go. All the shards are done, and I'm going to serve it with llama.cpp server. So we just need to provide the first shard, and it is going to load all the sharded files, and there are 15 of them. So let's run this. And the model is now loaded onto our GPU device and being served by llama.cpp at this localhost at port 8080. So let's quickly check the VRAM consumption. It is consuming close to 73 gig of VRAM as the whole Q4KM is loaded onto our GPU. Now, as a first prompt, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask it to create me a stunning self-contained HTML file um, for a landing page for Faro Compute. It's a premium GPU rental company in, I'll show you, in Egypt. And that should include some hero section, some animated GPU cards, some contact form, footer, responsive design, should be using HTML, JavaScript, but no external libraries. And I am asking it to make it look like $1 million startup landing page with Egyptian flair. So let's go to my terminal and then I'm just going to go here and then run it here. And as soon as I have started it, it has started thinking. It's a reasoning model. It is going to analyze our prompt. It is going to check out different paths or alternatives. Then it is going to slice and dice them and come up with the most optimal one. And you can see that it has already thought and now it is assembling. So this is the interesting bit. If you remember, this 27 billion one, the first one thinks long and deep and hard for like 5-6 minutes. This mixture of expert doesn't do that. Consumes more VRAM but gives us quite quickly the response back. And same is happening with this new one which we are running now. Let it produce the result and we will check it out. Meanwhile, why don't you just click on your tab where your favorite channel is, like the video, subscribe, and more importantly become a member, as that keeps the lights on. Plus, follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Don't get misled by this hasn't posted. I have plenty. It is just that it is a new VM and I haven't logged in. You can see that all the posts are here. So please follow me on X here. I don't do much marketing. So that is only marketing I do because I spend more time on making these videos. Anyway, let's go back and see if it is done or not. Almost there. And the code has been generated. Let me open it in the browser. There you go. It looks like this. Pretty neat. Very professional. I'm just hovering over the buttons. Looks also quite good. Even these GPU cards look quite good. You see, it's so good. And there you go. There is a form which you can fill out. And it says built in the heart of Egypt with ancient wisdom and modern tech. Very impressive. Look at this. Pretty good. Okay, for the multilinguality test, I'm going to do a very hard one. I'm going to ask it to come up with a gender neutral name in each of the following languages and tell its meaning in that same language. So now, of course, you would need to help me. There are 24 languages. Also, there are some instructions. It should be in this format. So let's see if it is able to follow the instruction and the format as I have asked it. So you would need to help me, please. Just check what exactly it produces. I don't know the names, and of course, it's not really possible to check it or cross check it. So let it finish thinking. When it starts displaying the output, I will show you and then you can let me know. And as it does that, I just wanted to show you something very cool. So for German, you see it has come up with a lot of names. So this is a chain of thought or reasoning where it has a lot of alternatives and then it is checking. Let's say let's try Ben, short for Benjamin but used for females too. How about Paul? No. Noah, and then Kai. And then let's pick Luca, meaning this, actually this, and then it is, you see, it is cross-checking, self-checking, and then it is coming up with the actual preference. And there you go. This is the response. Please check your respective language and let me know what do you think. I think it has done pretty well. Few of the languages and names I can tell, but most of them I cannot. So if this is your language, please check and let me know. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to do another final language test. So the prompt is that what is life, and then there are few philosophers. that it's hell, it's a test, and it's a mind. And then Fahad Mirza says that it's membership to my channel. And then I'm asking the model that, okay, so what is life is fine. Now tell me, what would above philosopher say about falling line? Keep answer short like above. What is wife? So let's see what exactly these philosophers are going to say about it. I'm going to run that in my terminal. And this is what the model says. It says it's cross, it's a question, it's a partner, okay, it's a chain, it's a mother, it's a trap. Look at the Freud one. I mean, this is so intelligent, seriously. It's a constant, it's a companion, it's a subscriber. Well, okay. So, but I think it's very, very intelligent. Really, really good stuff. Very short, but very, very targeted and nuanced. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about this series. It's a Qwen party today. Again, please follow me on X. That helps a lot. And please become a member, as that helps also helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.